how to buy CWH token. So this token came under the symbol of CWH. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. So this token, as you can see here, guys, it increased by 19,000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's good. It means that your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider. For example, I will select the Jupiter. After that, make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy CWH token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.